Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this nine-tailed fish in Fish It Roblox. So I think this one is one of the most beautiful and hard to find fish in the game. This is a pretty new legendary fish that can be found inside deep down the Kohana Volcano. It can be found in the new area. It's called Volcanic Cavern. So here I'm going to show you the exact location and also the bait and rod you need to catch this one. So for the locations, you can just go to the Volcanic Cavern. Don't forget to finish the Hazmat suit quest first. And after that, this is where I got the fish. This is the exact location. And here I'm using the element rod with the singularity bait as the gear setup combo. And also I got it in the event, it's in the admin event. So you can also use your luck totem or maybe luck potion to get the fish. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.